No snitching means no telling law enforcement who did a crime.
Savage Studios, S-Bone, and Money Son Suede are just a few YouTubers who are no longer here due to gangbanging and YouTube politics. Gangbang politics is real, and it can get you killed, get you hurt, and someone that you love seriously hurt, or get you thrown in jail for the rest of your life. Either way it goes, it's clear.
No snitching means no telling law enforcement who did a crime. No snitching means no telling law enforcement who did a crime.
It's a lot of money to be made, but they have to find a way to do so by sticking to the code. Cowboy is a prime example of how he testified when Nipsey Hussle was killed, labeling him a rat. Anybody who messed with him was guilty. S-Bone was caught interviewing Cowboy and therefore got caught up in Cowboy's demise. Although Cowboy may still be alive, S-Bone may still be alive too, but he's not interviewed or shut down with a known
No
snitch.
snitching means no telling law enforcement who did a crime.
Rules that the average person are unaware of. Things that gang members can and cannot do, can and cannot say, and things that, if said, can put them in jeopardy. They'll get their head busted open.